Okay, so hi guys, it's Tatiana and it's me, and we're going to be doing a Play-Doh, showing you guys how to make a Play-Doh rose, and we're just gonna get started right now. Okay, so the colors we're gonna be using today is red and green. So if you don't have it, you can use green or another one. Okay, so first we're going to start taking the Play-Doh out. So we got the Play-Doh, and we're going to divide them in 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh, girl. Okay, hi guys, it's me and Tatiana, and we're going to be doing showing you guys how to make a Play-Doh rose. So we're gonna take this can of red, and okay, hi guys, it's me and Tatiana, and we're going to be showing you guys how to make a red rose. And Tatiana's gonna tell you what colors we're gonna be using. We're going to be using red and green. If you don't have neither of these colors, you can use another one, because it doesn't really matter what color a flower is. Yeah, and the leaves, we're using this green to make the leaves, and we're using this to make the rose. So we're going to get started right now. So we got the red. And first step, we're going to divide it in 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. Hi guys, it's me and Tatiana, and we're going to be showing you guys how to make a red rose. So the colors we're going to be using today is red and green. So if you don't have neither of these colors, you can also use any color, because it really don't matter what color a rose is. Yep, and we're going to be using green for the leaves and red for the rose. We're going to get started right now. We're going to turn one piece into 7 small pieces. Yep, we're going to divide it in 7 pieces. So I'm going to start with the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's it. So the leftovers that we have, we're going to put it back inside the red can. So if I were you guys, I won't leave it out, because it might kind of dry out. Yeah. Especially if your house is closed. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take one of these pieces, and we're going to roll it up inside a little, like a ball. So you just roll it with your hands. Just do all of them until you finish. Okay, so we're finished, guys. Now we're gonna take the ball and we're just gonna flat it down, just like this. And once you see how this is, but once you're done, you're gonna kind of squeeze it out with your hands like that. So it get much bigger, much bigger. And you're just going to be doing all of them like that. And this is how big it should turn out. So we got my first one. Okay, so now when we're finished, we're going to take the smallest one out of all of these. And for this is the smallest one. So what we're going to do, we're going to roll it like this, like you're just rolling something. And this is how it should turn out. And after that, we're just going to keep doing all of it around it.
So for an example, like, we're going to put it like this. And
then we're going to continue.
Have a turn.
Yes, and then we're going to continue and keep doing it until it gets bigger and bigger, and until we run out of these. And this is our last one, and the last one we're going to put is in the middle. So after that, we're going to make sure this is like that, and the leftover, you just cut it. If you don't have a knife or anything, you can just use scissors, or you can use your hands. Okay, after that, we're gonna space it out. And now we're going to be, Tatiana is going to be making the leaves.
Okay, so I'm still making the first one. You gotta actually make some line so it can actually look like a real leaf.
She's gonna need another one, so we could just take this scoop, this Play-Doh scooper, and like that.
So
and we might need another one, but not an actually full one. If you guys don't have it, you can just get it with your hand as always.
okay, you guys have it. So hold up, guys. Okay, so Shania's gonna be putting this leaf on the flower while I'll get the second one ready.
Okay, so we're gonna take this flower that we just finished making, and we're gonna put this on the side of it, which is the leaf, and we're gonna be waiting for the other leaf until Tatiana finishes with that leaf. And this is how it's gonna turn out, and you're gonna see the other leaf next.
If you want to, for this video, we're gonna do 2 leaves, but if you want to, you can do 4. But I think it's just better to do 2. Here you go. Just do it. So now we have our second leaf, so we're just gonna do the same thing as we did to the first one.
And that's how the flower is going to turn out. But if you want it to hold a space, we don't have like a real actual stick, so we just use this color pencil and we stick it up, and that's how it's gonna be. If you want, you could just get a bowl, like we had watched the video. You could just get a bowl and put it in, and this is how the flower turned out. Bye guys, thanks for watching our video.
Subscribe.